Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, October 1st, first day of October. On this Talking Fitchburg update, Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us. We start with the referendum informational sessions. They continue. If you made it out to last night's session, we appreciate it. And there's still more to come. We switched to a virtual now. On October 9th will be the next meeting, and that'll be at 12 p.m. Virtually. You can tune in for that. And then back on the road on October 17th from 6 p.m. at Fire Station number 3, 2950 South Scion Road here in Fitchburg. October 21st, we'll be at the Four Winds Farms at 6 p.m., 5735 Adams Road. And then finish this off with a virtual session at 6 p.m. Again on October 28th. The City of Fitchburg hosting 7 of these public information sessions. You can check out past sessions at our website now, fitchburgwi.gov. Click on the referendum page. We have all the past presentations there, information on the referendum. And if you have any additional questions, you're encouraged to reach out to our City Administrator, Chad Brecklin. He'd be happy to answer those questions. Tonight kicks off the first of 2 nights of budget presentations, along with the Mayor's proposed budget being out there. The Mayor's proposed 2025 operating budget is now available on our website for viewing. To access the budget, visit our website at fitchburgwi.gov, and you can check out her budget. Presentations will be in front of the Finance Committee starting tonight at 6 o'clock p.m. here on October 1st. And then on Wednesday, October 2nd, same time at 6 p.m., they'll pick back up on presentations. So if you're interested in learning what each department has in their budget as proposed, you can check that out through these presentations live on our Gov channel, F1, starting tonight at 6 p.m. Road closure to tell you about starting today, going here for a little bit of time. This roadway is Traceway Drive from Post Road to Fish Hatchery Road. This is beginning today, October 1st. Badgerland is installing water service on behalf of the City of Fitchburg. Starting October 1st, the work is anticipated to be completed by the end of the day on Friday, October 4th. We'll keep you posted if there's any changes on that road closure, but that does Traceway Drive from Post Road to Fish Hatchery Road for some maintenance there. Fitchburg Fire Department has their open house coming back up during Fire Prevention Week. Mark your calendars for Saturday, October 12th. Stop by the Firehouse number 2. Note this is different from prior years, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to join us for a fun day of course, learning more about fire safety, talking with fire department members. Fire displays will be out there. Police EMS will be there as well, and other community partners. So you can stop by, enjoy some fun there. Also, Oak Bank's Great Pumpkin Giveaway is happening just across the street from Fire Station number 2. So they're going to close the street off so you can walk between both events. So kind of cool there. Hopefully we'll see you out there for a lot of fun. October 12th, that's next weekend. National Walk to a Park Day. Want to get this on your calendar if you haven't heard about this movement. It's pretty cool. Join us in celebrating our local parks this National Walk to Park Day by snapping a photo and sharing it on the tpl.org/walk event. And this is pretty cool. A National Walk to a Park Day. Every photo uploaded triggers $5 donation up to $25,000 to support local parks and public land. So let's showcase the beauty of our green space together and walk to a park. It's going to be a lot of fun. You can do that on October 10th, and we'll remind you as it gets closer. We got plenty of parks. 30 of them, 30 plus parks here in the city of Fitchburg. You should check them out. We've been getting some video and photos all summer long of the parks. There's some beautiful parks here in Fitchburg. So I definitely encourage you to get out there and check this out. All right, over to Fight the Bite. Yeah, we've heard of some other diseases passed on by mosquitoes recently, and this is a reminder, just because it's fall doesn't mean that there aren't mosquitoes, and those mosquitoes can pass along illnesses like West Nile or EEE. While you enjoy your beautiful outdoor weather, make sure you fight the bite and protect yourself if you're heading out into the woods, if you're heading out into some of the parks with deep woods, whatever the case may be. Use mosquito pellet. Wear that long sleeve shirts and pants, and wear closed toe shoes if you're heading out into the woods, into the prairie areas to avoid that, and ticks up too. So you kind of just got to protect yourself when you go out there. Of course, go out and have some fun as well. Have a great day, everybody.